The farm was actually founded in 1999. We grow a wide variety of tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. All of our production is greenhouse grown. We have currently 30 acres of organic peppers. We have 15 acres of organic cucumbers, and we have 15 acres of organic tomatoes. And then we have currently 32 acres of conventional tomatoes that are under lights, which allows us to have product in the wintertime. Pretty much all of the product that gets picked today will get packed tomorrow and get shipped. Most of it actually gets shipped tomorrow. So we really try to get it out the door as quickly as possible, which will leave the consumer with longer shelf life. So here's the start of our top seal line. All of our cherries and grape tomatoes go across here. As you can see behind me here, we have a couple of people that do the grading. They take out all the small product, if there's any splits or anything like that, to ensure that only the good product goes into the packs up front. And then it goes up top here, goes into the WeighPack machine, and from there it goes into the little clamshells. And then after that, there's a top seal machine that closes them up. And we have a check weigher to ensure that all the proper weights are in each pack. And then at the end, we have the case packer that packs all of them into the boxes. Behind me here, you can see the N-Flex tray packer from Paxiom. It puts all the little packages that you can see across here that go into the boxes. It eliminates a couple of employees that we don't have to have here because of the automation. And what we love about it is the user-friendliness of this interface here. So we can really have anybody on the line and they can start operating it very easily. So with this packing machine here, it takes about 8 packs at a time, but it does roughly about 65 packs per minute that you can do with this. We can probably speed it up a bit, but 65 is where we feel comfortable. And we have about a dozen different recipes, so if you have different sizing of packs, you can change it. Our relationship with Paxiom started when they introduced a WeighPack machine to us, and it was in Delta, Ohio. We took the machine, it worked really well, so then they introduced a tray pack machine to us. We ordered 2 of them, one for Delta, Ohio, and also one for Leamington, and they're actually working very well for us. Very user-friendly. It saves us quite a bit of labor. The employees that were on those machines were able to use them in different areas now. Therefore, it's again very labor efficient. The installation went very smoothly. They came over, they unpacked it, they put it in place, they ran some product through. All in all, I must say I was very happy with how they did the installation. We can always rely on them getting back to us very quickly. As we expand with automation, companies like Paxiom and other companies are a big part of the future for us as well. These truly are amazing. You gotta have one, try it.